If Telegram is giving you an error and not opening properly, crashing, or refusing to connect, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that usually solves the problem quickly. We're going to end any stuck background tasks, reset your network settings, and then reinstall Telegram the correct way. This is one of the fastest ways to fix Telegram app errors on Windows, especially if the app is glitching after an update or failing to launch at all. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, we need to close any Telegram processes that may still be running in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simple view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running apps and processes. Now look through the Processes tab and find Telegram, Telegram Desktop, or anything similar that appears to be related to the app. Sometimes Telegram can stay active even after you close the window, and that can cause errors when you try to reopen it. Once you find it, click on it once to highlight it, then select End Task in the bottom corner. If you see more than one Telegram process, end each one individually. This clears out any frozen background instance and gives us a clean start. After that, the next step is to flush your DNS cache and reset Winsock. These network repairs can help if Telegram is showing connection issues, stuck loading, or failing to sign in. To do that, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, carefully type net-esh winsock reset and press Enter. You should see a message confirming the Winsock catalog was reset successfully. Next, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter again. This clears your DNS cache, which can fix network-related app problems. After both commands are complete, restart your computer. Don't skip this part, because the changes usually don't fully apply until after a restart. Once your PC turns back on, check Telegram again. If the error is still there, the most reliable fix is to completely reinstall the app. Start by uninstalling Telegram from your computer. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features, and uninstall Telegram or Telegram Desktop. After uninstalling, it's a good idea to remove any leftover files if you know where they are, so the new install starts fresh. Then go directly to the official Telegram desktop website and download the latest version. Avoid using old installers or random download sites because you want the most up-to-date and safe version of the app. Once the download finishes, install Telegram again and sign in as usual. In many cases, this fresh install removes corrupted files and fixes the error completely. If Telegram still doesn't work after that, double check your internet connection, restart your router, and make sure your Windows updates are current. But in most cases, ending the background tasks, resetting Winsock and DNS, and reinstalling Telegram will fix the issue. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with any other app error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.